Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back to our video. Today I'm gonna be giving you a full 2024 Pandabuy shoe collection. But yeah, basically this whole shoe collection is reps, and I got each pair for around $30. But before the video starts, please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1K, and I just want to thank you guys all for watching this video, even clicking onto it. Also, I just want to say this video was recorded like 3 months ago, and I just didn't post it. So yeah, over like the past 2 years I've been collecting really. But I got shoes spread it all around, like literally everywhere. So I'm just gonna give you each pair of shoes. I'm just gonna show off my collection, so yeah, let's get right into it. I got a lot of shoes to go through, so let's just start from top to bottom. I know you can't see it here. These are some Chunky Dunkies. Let me grab them. So for the very first pair, everyone knows about these. These are the Chunky Dunkies. I mean, what else do I have to say? Do I have to say more? Like, these are the Chunky Dunkies. Of course, these are reps. I only have like one real pair in here, and they are like kind of trash ones. So yeah, but these are reps. Look at that. Real cow skin, guys. Real cow fur right here. Real cow fur. I promise. Up there, you can see it came with that the special edition shoebox. It's kind of cool. I'm gonna grab it real quick. Okay, I have it. Here it is. This is actually pretty sick. This is the only reason I got these, just for the box really, because the shoe, they're pretty hard to style. I don't think I've ever worn them yet, and I got these like about a year ago. So I got a lot of shoes, but I don't really wear none of them. Like, my rotation will consist of like 4 pairs. Okay, of course, on to the next pair. I'm just gonna grab one of these. So these are the Travis Scott. I actually forget what they're called. I'll put the name on the screen though. I actually really like these. Like, I got these like a year ago. Once again, I only wore them like twice, but like, I really need to wear these more because they really go with any like fit that consists of like neutral colors, because it's just black, brown and white, a little bit of pink. But I like these rope laces. Like, it's so like, it's just so cool kind of. But these are the SB Dunks. So yeah, I got a few pairs of SB Dunks. And now we're in the shoe holders, and here we have the lot 50 dunks, off-white dunks. As you can see, lot 50 out of 50. So I think I got these from, like, by the way, all these are from Pandabuy. So like, each pair is like around $30. Literally my whole shoe collection costs like $200 as a whole. It's not really that much. I have like 50 pairs of shoes. Lot 50 off-white. But yeah, I like these. I wore them only once. Got them like a few months ago. I really need to wear my shoes more, but I've only worn these like, I've worn these like probably 10 times. But these are the off-white Jordan 4 sale. Yep, you should know about these too. Like, I just have the pairs that a lot of people know about. You already know. All these shoes pass legit checks too. Like, I would never be caught lacking in no shoe that looked like this. Like, holy. Yeah, I was gonna put different laces on these, but I guess that never happened. So also, if you see the Christmas tree, it is like 6 days past Christmas. No, it's like 4. It's like 4 days past Christmas, and this is still up, and it's gonna stay up all year. So okay, next we have these. So actually, a website sent me these. This wasn't for Pandabuy. A website sent me these because they just came out, and they're like, do you want these? I'm like, yeah, sure, why not? These are the Jordan 1 Spider-Man. I don't know what Spider-Man, but it's one of the Spider-Mans, the newest one. But these were worn once, not even by me, by my brother. He wore them to the Spider-Man movie, and I just had them for like 6 months, never worn them. Like, I'm such like a I need to start wearing these shoes, but I don't have any fits. Like, I can't make fits. I just wear Yeezy slides all the time. But these are actually like really cool though, like reflective, like translucent, whatever that means. And yeah, the bottom actually glows in the dark. So okay, I'm just gonna roll through. Like, I'm just gonna start going faster. But these are the Jordan 1 high dark mochas. These are probably one of my most worn pairs. Love these. Basic though, but love them. Look at this hourglass shape. Yup, you already know. Toe box. Oh, I got a shoe protector in there. Oops. But yeah, definitely shout out to Pandabuy, because they don't sponsor me or nothing, but all these are from Pandabuy, and I got about 10 more pairs over there, like a lot over there. I have like 13 downstairs, but I just be having shoes everywhere. But I like to put y'all on, so I have a whole tutorial. I'll link it down below on how to use Pandabuy, how to order, how to buy routes, how to do it safely, and how to do it correctly, because there's a lot of misleading tutorials out there that'll tell you to just do it wrong, but I got the right methods. I've been doing this for over 3 years. We got the Travis Scott. I don't even know any of these names. Travis Scott, whatever's on screen. But look at this. The whole switch comes off, and I have like 3 extra switches. They're probably gone. I don't know where they went. But yeah, wait. You thought I was done? Nah. Look at this. These also come off. There's another one, the other pair. I'm too lazy to put it back on right now. But yeah, those are really cool. And then I have these. These are not worn. Some you guys gonna get mad at me for this. These are unworn. These are unworn. Completely unworn. I've had them for about a year now. Completely not worn once. As you can see. Why don't I wear these? It's because I don't have any fits, bro. You need to have a fit to wear shoes. And that's just my opinion. Actually, you don't really, but if you just wear it with confidence. But I like to have fits with them. But yeah, Jordan 4. These all pass the legit checks. It's crazy. I don't know who really be buying real shoes no more. I've asked many people, and they all think these shoes are real until I revealed them with the reps, and they're like, no, wait, no way. And then I put them on with the method. But Jordan 1 Travis Scott fragments. Why does it keep doing that? Jordan 1 Travis Scott fragments. Nice. I love these. I don't really like them actually, because I don't like lows. I would probably say these are my second most worn. Like, you know, second most worn, of course, because these go with any single fit. You can wear black, you could wear any color of the rainbow, and these will still look good with it, just because it has white, black, and gray. Literally the best colors. These are so worn. Look at all the scuff marks. Literally disgusting. I don't even want to touch these. But Jordan 1 military blacks, cop them. I'm not joking. Like, they go with any fit. So here I have the Jordan 4 black cats. This is like my third pair actually. This is my third pair actually, because I gave the other ones away. But these ones I just got actually like in my last haul video, and I haven't worn them yet. So yeah, Jordan 4 black cats. I think I really like the black cats because they go with any fit once again, and they're just a nice black Jordan 4, you know. You see a pattern in here? I only wear the shoes that are basic and are easy to style. But here we have these. These are these are just so worn in. I used to wear this a lot, like a year ago. I think I cleaned the bottoms on these actually at one point, but I've worn these so much. Just look at this. I don't even want you guys to see that. That's disgusting. Like, there's like, ugh, just disgusting. The other pair is even worse. Like, what is even on here, bro? Oh, I know which one my most worn. I know which one my most worn. Oh, I know which one's my most worn. I know which one. Not these, but see, these are the Jordan 1 low mochas. Everyone knows these. Travis Scott. If you don't know about these, then yeah, but these are, I've worn these a few times, you know. This was an easy cop, you know. You have to have these. If you're gonna have at least one Jordan 1 Travis Scott low, probably the mochas. But yeah, here to my most worn shoe. This has to be my most worn. I'm trying to think, like, these have to be my most worn, cause like these are so versatile. Like, you don't even need black cats if you have these. But like, these are amazing, bro. And just cause like these are so durable, because the canvas material, it literally doesn't get dirty at all. Like, I've worn these probably about 30 times. Look at it. Like, I don't know, some hair in the bottom. Ew. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, as you can see, these are complete. What is? Oh my god, these are completely worn. Threading is coming out. Like, I need to get a new pair of these. I'm not gonna lie. Of course, you already know. And then here's the. If you don't have these, get them. They're in my spreadsheet. I have a pen in my spreadsheet, so yeah, they're in my spreadsheet. It's linked down below somewhere. But yeah, the LA Dodger Dunks, SB Dunks. I've worn these once. These are a pretty nice shoe. They're a summer shoe, and I got them in the winter, so I only had the opportunity to wear them in like late fall, because I just got them back then. But literally, these are nice. Probably one of my favorite SB Dunks, just because I like the blue, and then it has the gum thing on it. I'm not a fan of the LA Dodgers or anything. I just like the colors and stuff, you know. Here, these are one of my most worn. I've actually cleaned these with FZ150 a few times, and they're still. Oh my god, bro! Just look, and there's poop on the bottom of the shoe. Ooh, bro. So here we have the Jordan 4 Pure Moneys. I love these because they're just like a white. Like, are you noticing a pattern? I like the white shoes, the black shoes, and like the gray shoes, a little bit of gray shoes. Yeah, I like the basic colors because they're the easiest to style. Here I have some Bape. Bruh. No, here I have some Bape Stas. I don't even know the name of these. A company sent me these. As well, so I might as well take them. But these I actually really like these because noise suppression is going on. It may sound worse, but it'll block out all the music. Bro, look what it keeps doing. That's what it keeps doing. It keeps going to rainbow mode. Cause I have it on white mode, but it keeps going to rainbow mode. I'm gonna turn this up. Holy, it's like a flashbang. But, good, okay. Here I have some more Bape Stas. These are University Blue Bape Stas. I wore these once. The other shoe has white laces. These have light blue laces. I thought it looked cool, and it actually does look cool. So, yeah. Here I have some more Bape Stas. So this is my third pair of Bape Stas. This is my latest one. Wore them once. I don't know what these are called. I like Bape Stas just because like they're kind of like an Air Force, but they're like different. So you're not like wearing Air Forces, but they're just so like if you see Bape Stas in public, they're reps. I'm not just, like you can just tell they're reps if someone's wearing Bape Stas. So it's really just an easy call out. And yeah, I don't know what these are called, so I'm just gonna call them Bape Stas, white Bape Stas. I don't know. I'm about to show a pair that was my first ever pair, and they're real. And before I show you them, I just want you to see the progression I've had from these pair and that. So this is my first ever pair. I know it's devastating. It's Panda Dunk highs, and they were the exact same prices as Panda Dunk lows. But I got them for Christmas, and I asked my mom to get like me Panda Dunks. She didn't know what they were, so she got me the high ones. I mean, I still wore them. Of course, I'm not gonna just like not wear them. Like as you can see, these are beat. But the quality in here, like these are real ones by the way. The quality in these just suck to begin with. Like they just suck to begin with. The two, but the shoebox already came like this. It's so flimsy. Like this is when I realized I'm never gonna buy real shoes again because this was like $150 and I could get like 3 pairs just for $150 alone, and I got these instead. But yeah, Panda Dunk highs. They're Panda Dunks but high, and they're kind of a crime, you know, to wear Panda Dunk highs. Here we have a seasonal shoe. This is a winter shoe. Inside has like elves working in the factory. These are the Sean Cliver SB Dunks. Not much people know about these, but these are pretty fire cop. Tumble leather all over with this, like, I don't know what kind of suede it is, but it's not suede really. Bottom, I love the bottoms, are pretty cool. Like glitter all over them. And then it comes with white lace, gold lace, and then this lace, and it's like tinsel lace. So it's like, you can tell I like these shoes, but yeah, gold. Like these are pretty cool. They're pretty cool. And then here I got some runners, some Yeezy runners. These are, I thought these were black when I ordered them. Look, if you look closely, it's like blue camo, but you're never gonna notice that if you see them on feet. They just literally look black. Like they look bad. They look black right here. Like they look black from a distance right here. You know, if you have Yeezys, you know, if you have Yeezy foams, any type of foam shoe, they're comfy. They all feel the same. They're all really comfy. I even got some on feet right now. If we're being real, these are my most worn because I'll wear these over any other shoe. The bottom is not that faded out yet. I've seen someone's, the whole bottom was flat. That's what I'm trying to be like. That's where I'm trying to get. But the front of it, as you can see, the only thing I hate about these is when you're walking. Now look, when you're walking, like you just be walking, you go, really? Now when you're walking, you just be go walking and you like trip. Like I don't, you didn't see it, but when you walk, it's really easy to trip in these. Not like full trip, but like stumble over and you almost trip. Y'all don't see my cat. No, Lulu. Hi, Lulu. Here's my cat, Lulu. She does not want to be here. She wants to go lick herself on her blanket because she's a princess. You know, that's what she thinks she is. You're not a princess. Maybe she is. Maybe she is. But this is all the collection on this shelf thing. I have 10 pairs over there, and we're not going to get into those. But I'm gonna turn the camera around. This is the money making shelf. This is where the cash flows in. So basically this is the Pandabuy method. If you don't know what it is, then you don't know. But if you want to tap in it, give me the 1K subscribers and I'll let you know on my Instagram. Once again, Pandabuy just does it right. Like they just do. I'm sorry. They just do it right. But that is basically it. I got 3 pairs of Yeezy slides downstairs. I gave 4 pairs of shoes to my brother, 3 pairs of shoes to my mom, 1 pair of shoes to my other brother, and then 50 other pairs. But I, did the method with them, and I got some money. So you'll see the method at 1K. At 1K subscribers, I'll let you know the method. But you just have to get there first. So honestly, I don't think I'm gonna hit 1K. So you guys have to lock in. Give me 1K. So give me the 1K. So. But this is my 2024 shoe collection. This is my first video with my face. This is what my brother said to get y'all to subscribe. If you want to shop on Pandabuy, if you want to shop on Pandabuy, go down in the description and click the link. Get some free coupons. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button. Probably never gonna see me again if you don't subscribe or like this video. Okay, bye.